Hi, I'm Chris Lovell, Product Marketing Manager for Motor Protection and Control. ABB is a global leader in motor protection and control. Today, I'm going to share with you how our cutting-edge technology saves you time, money, and space while meeting the requirement of branch circuit protection. To comply with National Electrical Code Article 430, a motor branch circuit requires a means of motor disconnect, a motor branch short circuit protection, and motor controller, which usually is a contactor, and an overload protective device. Let's start with a basic non-combination, non-reversing starter, which simply consists of a motor controller and an overload relay. These starters would require upstream disconnect and short circuit protection. ABB non-combination starters consist of an AF contactor for motor control. AF contactors are electronically controlled, making them virtually noise and chatter-free, providing smooth, reliable operation and lower energy consumption. They cover 24 to 500 volts AC and DC with only 4 coils, for 90% less product variations and a significant opportunity to reduce inventory. Each contactor offers built-in surge suppression to further reduce inventory and installation cost. All this in a compact design. The ABB overload relays, which are designed to fit perfectly to an AF contactor without the need for wiring or additional hardware, making it easy to complete the starter. To make this a reversing starter, simply use ABB mechanical and electrical interlocks. Everything snaps together without tools or additional hardware. Now let's look at UL 508 listed combination motor starters. A combination starter is one or more devices assembled to provide disconnecting means, branch circuit protection, motor control, and motor overload protection for a single motor circuit. Combinations vary based on the disconnect and circuit protection used. There are 5 common types: A, C, D, E, and F. The first UL 508 combination motor starter is a Type A starter. It uses UL 98 disconnects with UL 248 fuses. ABB offers a full line of fusible disconnects. They offer a small footprint and snap-on accessories shared across the line. Type A starters are typically the lowest installed cost starter and offer the highest short circuit current ratings. However, installation considerations could include oversizing components to meet the full load current requirements. Additionally, while fuses can be replaced, downtime can be increased based on serviceability and location of the starter. The next 2 UL combinations are Type C and D. They utilize molded case circuit breakers for both the disconnect and short circuit protection. Type C is an inverse time breaker, where Type D is an instantaneous breaker. These breakers include the new industry-leading T-Max XT breaker. These breakers are highly rated with one of the industry's smallest footprints. They have snap-on electrical accessories, which are harmonized across the line and offer a full line of standard and adjustable thermal, magnetic, and electronic trip units. Type C and D offer the required short circuit protection and disconnect means in a single unit, which can be easily reset upon a fault. Type D offers a short delay, instantaneous protection only, while Type C, with inverse time breakers, adds additional long delay over current protection. The final 2 types are Type E and Type F. Type E is a self-protected starter, which is accomplished with ABB's manual motor starters. The entire combination consists of one compact device offering disconnect, short circuit protection, control, and overload protection. It offers a simple reset method and selectable amperage levels. The advantage of Type E is an all-in-one unit for fast, easy design and control up to 50 horsepower and 65 kA at 3-phase 480 volts AC. The Type F simply adds an AF contactor to the manual motor starter using a slim coupling device to provide the ability to add enhanced controls. ABB starters are offered in both open and enclosed construction. The enclosed starters up to NEMA 4 are assembled in enclosures up to NEMA 4X for outdoor applications. ABB starters have been UL tested and provide UL listed short circuit current ratings, providing you the peace of mind that your motor branch circuit meets the ratings you need, while also saving you the calculation time and providing the highest SECR possible without overpaying. For cutting-edge technology that saves you time, money, and space while ensuring world-class performance, contact your local ABB distributor or sales representative for your next motor starter project.